Welcome to Beautyistic, where we turn beauty into a science you can trust. If your makeup routine sometimes feels like it needs an extra boost, I have something that might just change the game. I'm talking about the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray, a liquid that promises to prime, set, and refresh your skin all in one, while giving a hydration and brightness boost. It's designed for all skin types and claims to keep your makeup looking fresh all day. When I first got this, I was curious about its 3-in-1 promise. On examining it, the formula is lightweight and infused with coconut water, which is known for its hydrating properties, and it's got a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. The spray itself is fine mist, which helps it distribute evenly over the skin without disturbing your makeup. Using it has been quite straightforward. I tried it both as a primer before foundation and as a setting spray after finishing my makeup. As a primer, it created a slightly dewy canvas that made my foundation glide on smoothly. When used to set makeup, it didn't leave any stickiness and seemed to lock everything in place for several hours, even through a busy day with a bit of heat. One of my favorite uses is a quick refresh midday. A spritz instantly feels hydrating and gives the skin a subtle, healthy glow. Of course, it's not perfect. While it's hydrating, if your skin is extremely dry, you might still need a richer moisturizer underneath. And the mist, while mostly even, can occasionally feel a bit heavy if sprayed too close. On the plus side, it's travel-friendly, and the pump mechanism is sturdy and consistent. For value, it sits in the mid to high range for setting sprays. But considering it's 3 products in one and has hydrating ingredients like coconut water, I'd say it justifies the price if you're looking for convenience and a healthy skin finish. Compared to other high-end sprays, like Urban Decay's All Nighter, this one leans more toward hydration and comfort rather than sheer long-lasting hold, making it a great choice for everyday wear rather than special events where extreme longevity is required. The build quality of the bottle is solid, and the spray lasts a long time, so you won't feel like you're going through it quickly. Too Faced has a reputation for good customer support, and while I didn't have to reach out personally, they are known to respond efficiently to inquiries. If you're on a budget, alternatives like NYX's Dewy Finish Setting Spray offer a similar hydrating effect at a lower price point, though they may not have the same priming benefits or luxurious feel of the Too Faced option. Overall, the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray delivers on hydration, ease of use, and versatility. It's ideal for anyone who wants a refreshing, glowy makeup finish without fussing with multiple products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.